It's been really wonderful being a beginner. Often I want to be achieving and want to be good at something quickly, and I'm pretty hard on myself. And it's really nice to just kind of dig deeper and deeper into some of the same questions and new questions and just learn new skills and learn more about myself. Getting more comfortable to tell stories from me and from us rather than trying to be kind of commercial or put a spin on it. I think it was great to really get out and try some of the techniques and things that we've been talking about. I felt like I kind of had an advantage in that I'd done the full day of editing beforehand. I think that was really helpful. Even some of the skills of videoing slow motion and things like that we did afterwards would really help, you know, building the skills to be able to go out and do that scavenger hunt. Rachel and Michael are very approachable, very giving, very generous, very real and honest people, and they've definitely delivered a wide variety of skills through the weekend, which has been really nice. And you can see the genuine care and excitement in seeing people grow and learn.